Welcome to Travel Owl, where every journey is an adventure. Hello, fellow explorers and dreamers. I'm absolutely thrilled to welcome you to the Travel Owl family, where we embark on a journey of discovery, wanderlust, and cultural exploration. Whether you're an avid traveler or an armchair adventurer, you've found your nest in this corner of the internet. On Travel Owl, we're not just sharing destinations. We're creating a community of fellow dreamers who appreciate the magic of exploration. Today, we're going to explore the top things to do in Las Vegas in 2024. Let's get started. Number 10. Neon Museum. Step into the vibrant history of Las Vegas at the Neon Museum, where iconic neon signs tell the story of the city's evolution. Take a guided tour through the outdoor exhibition space surrounded by restored signs that once illuminated the streets. From classic casinos to quirky motels, each sign holds a piece of Sin City's past. Marvel at the artistry and craftsmanship of these luminous relics as you hear tales of their iconic origins. The museum is not just a trip down memory lane, it's a celebration of creativity and innovation. Learn about the design and craft behind these neon masterpieces, gaining a newfound appreciation for their role in shaping Las Vegas's identity. Soak in the nostalgia and immerse yourself in the glow of Las Vegas's neon heritage. It's an electrifying experience that captures the essence of the city's vibrant past. Number 9. Fremont Street. Step back into old-school Las Vegas at Fremont Street, where vintage charm meets modern excitement. Neon lights paint the sky with vibrant colors as mesmerizing light shows dazzle overhead. Live music and street performers add to the bustling atmosphere, offering something for every taste. Explore unique shops and restaurants along the pedestrian mall, discovering hidden gems at every turn. Sip on a classic cocktail at a retro lounge, or indulge in a hearty meal at a vintage diner. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a wide-eyed newcomer, Fremont Street promises an unforgettable journey through the heart and soul of Sin City. Come and discover its secrets. It's old-school Las Vegas at its finest. Number 8. Las Vegas Strip. Experience the unforgettable allure of the renowned Las Vegas Strip as you embark on a leisurely stroll through its vibrant streets. Each step along this iconic boulevard offers a fresh dose of excitement and wonder, with towering hotels, opulent resorts, and world-famous casinos standing tall as symbols of Sin City's grandeur. Take a moment to soak in the lively atmosphere that permeates the air, from the bustling gaming areas pulsating with energy to the captivating street performances that unfold before your eyes. Let the rhythm of the city's heartbeat guide you as you weave through the crowds, enchanted by the pulsating beats of music emanating from the trendy nightclubs that line the strip. It's an immersive experience like no other, promising an abundance of thrills, laughter, and cherished memories that will linger long after your journey through the heart of Las Vegas comes to an end. Number 7. Bellagio Fountains. Step into a world where water becomes poetry in motion at the Bellagio Fountains. Witness an enchanting spectacle where choreographed water jets pirouette to the rhythm of music, illuminated by a mesmerizing display of lights against the backdrop of the iconic Bellagio Hotel. It's more than just a water show. It's a symphony of sight and sound that captures the imagination and leaves spectators spellbound. Feel the anticipation build as the first notes of music fill the air. Then marvel as water seemingly defies gravity, dancing gracefully in perfect harmony. Each performance is a masterpiece, a breathtaking fusion of artistry and engineering that creates an unforgettable experience for all who behold it. So, immerse yourself in the magic of the Bellagio Fountains, where every splash is a stroke of genius and every moment is a celebration of wonder. Let yourself be transported to a realm where dreams take flight on the wings of water, and where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Number 6. High Roller Ferris Wheel. Embark on a thrilling journey aboard Las Vegas's High Roller, the tallest observation wheel globally. Ascend for stunning views of the city and desert landscape. Beyond a typical Ferris wheel, It's a marvel of entertainment. Step into plush cabins. Feel the excitement rise as you admire the strip and natural beauty. Glide above, seeing Las Vegas like never before. Each angle reveals its allure, from iconic skyline to distant mountains. It promises unforgettable memories for first-timers and seasoned travelers alike. Prepare to soar and savor the unmatched beauty of Las Vegas from atop the high roller. It's an experience to treasure forever. Number 5. Stratosphere Tower. Welcome to the Strat Hotel and Casino and Tower, an iconic landmark on the legendary Strip. Ascend to the Skypod observation deck for 360-degree views of the cityscape. Experience the adrenaline rush of sky jump, a controlled free fall from dizzying heights. Indulge in diverse dining options, from upscale eateries with panoramic views to casual cafes serving mouth-watering fare. Explore vibrant nightlife with live entertainment, bars, and clubs. Whether you seek awe-inspiring views, heart-pounding adventures, or simply a good time, the Strat has it all, and then some. Come and let Las Vegas thrill you with its pulse, its heights, and its endless excitement. Number 4. Eiffel Tower Viewing Deck. Welcome to the Eiffel Tower Viewing Deck experience, an immersive journey through Parisian history, architecture, and innovation. Step onto the glass-floored observation deck, 276 meters above the ground, and behold the breathtaking panoramic views of the City of Light. Immerse yourself in the ambiance of the iconic tower as you explore its rich history through augmented reality, where Gustave Eiffel's original design sketches bring to life before your eyes. Join a captivating holographic tour led by none other than Eiffel himself, as he vividly recounts the tower's construction triumphs and challenges. For the thrill seekers, embark on a heart-pounding virtual reality climb to the tower spire, or venture onto the daring Eiffel Tower skywalk, encircling its summit for an exhilarating experience. Whether you're a history enthusiast, architecture lover, or adventure seeker, the Eiffel Tower Viewing Deck promises an unforgettable journey atop one of the world's most iconic landmarks. Come and witness Paris from a whole new perspective. It's an experience that will leave you in awe. Number 3. The Grand Canal Shops. This is where the allure of Venice meets the excitement of Las Vegas in an unforgettable shopping experience. Step into a world of luxury and elegance, where gondolas glide along indoor canals beneath a sky painted with perpetual dusk. Explore the cobblestone walkways lined with world-class boutiques and designer stores, offering everything from haute couture to unique souvenirs. As you wander, take in the stunning architecture inspired by the iconic landmarks of Venice, including St. Mark's Square and the Rialto Bridge. But the Grand Canal Shops are more than just a shopping destination. They're a journey through the romantic streets of Venice. Immerse yourself in the atmosphere as street performers serenade passers-by, and gondoliers sing classic Italian melodies while navigating the serene waters. Indulge your senses with culinary delights from gourmet restaurants and quaint cafes, offering a taste of Italy's culinary treasures. Savor a glass of wine or a decadent gelato as you bask in the ambiance of this enchanting oasis. Whether you're a fashion aficionado, a foodie, or simply seeking a magical escape, the Grand Canal Shops offer an experience unlike any other. So come, lose yourself in the charm of Venice and discover why this shopping destination is a true gem of Las Vegas. Number 2. Las Vegas Sign. Welcome to the famous Las Vegas sign, a symbol of the city's excitement and entertainment. As you arrive, feel the excitement grow as you join in a tradition loved by many. Take a photo in front of the sign, capturing memories against the vibrant city backdrop. But the sign is more than just a place for photos. It represents the fun and energy of Las Vegas. Admire its bold design and bright colors reflecting the city's lively spirit. People from all over the world come to visit this landmark, each wanting to be a part of Las Vegas history. Whether it's your first time or you're a frequent visitor, the Las Vegas sign brings joy and excitement to everyone who sees it. So, Come and experience the magic for yourself and let Las Vegas brighten your journey. Number 1. Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. Nestled within the Bellagio Hotel and Casino on the Las Vegas Strip, the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Garden is a must-see destination. Showcasing meticulously arranged floral displays, seasonal plants, and themed exhibits that change regularly, it offers a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Crafted by expert horticulturists and designers, each exhibit features thousands of flowers, plants, and natural materials. Visitors can stroll through the gardens, marveling at vibrant colors, intricate designs, and whimsical sculptures. Entry is free, making it accessible to all. Don't miss this enchanting oasis during your visit to Las Vegas. Thank you for joining me on this adventure through the top things to do in Las Vegas 2024. I hope this journey has sparked a newfound appreciation for the wonders that surround us. If you've enjoyed this exploration, be sure to check out another exciting video in our collection. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a hiking aficionado, or simply seeking a virtual escape, there's always more to explore together. Your support fuels the exploration, and I look forward to sharing many more incredible moments with you. And if you enjoyed this tour in Las Vegas 2024, be sure to subscribe to Travel Owl for more travel inspiration, tips, and adventures from around the globe. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and embrace the beauty of our world.